All the sights and sounds of spring. Look at that mess when you pull everything out of the shed and put it all out on the patio. You buy the mulch, and all that work is ahead. We put in a pool and deck last year, and now it's time to seal it again. Everything's been pulled out from underneath the deck, and some of the things are worse for wear, but we're going to get Oasis back in order. I water sealed the whole deck under the supervision of this guy and brought up all the furniture. Then I got to go plant shopping. I went to a local place. This is the second time we've been plant shopping. The first time was for a few different planters around the property, and there's my haul. This time, these are plants for the deck. So I get busy with some hanging planters and a nice pot. This was left over from last year. My son got me an arrangement in that. So I just went for color. I took a well-deserved break on the front porch swing and watched this robin, who was probably building a nest, succeed in tying it in a knot. So we've been working around the front, my husband mainly. I love my little plate flower, but it's contrary sometimes and wants to spin around. There I've got it kind of in position. Here's a hibiscus bush. I can see there's some new growth, but I think it's time to trim away the old. Also, there's some hostas that we planted last year that aren't getting very big, but these are some hollyhocks that I planted last year, and they're looking super and ready to bloom. This fence, we get so many compliments on, and those solar lights are just amazing. So we have them set for the summer, and they look really great when it gets dark. So I've been working on the front. My husband's been working out here, so I decided to move the chair that I had done with succulents down there. Special delivery, a new potting bench has arrived. It looks like there's going to be rain in about an hour, so that gives me just about enough time to go out and take this old dresser apart that was serving for my potting bench. Boom, done. The new potting bench is in place, and I can get busy with a couple other projects. These peonies are ready to bloom. The ants are doing their job, getting them open. This is a mess. We left it go last year in favor of working on the pool. And this fence has some pretty cool features on it now with some solar lights that are little mandalas. Yuccas, which are a biennial, blooming every other year, and this is their year to bloom. I bought a new hibiscus plant and added some other plants to the front porch. Now this is the project that I'm working on. I started this last year, actually. I wanted to make a fountain, a little fountain with a lion head. Although it's now the end of June, I've been loading these pictures in as I went since early spring. Look at those hollyhocks now. They're doing just great. And the back garden is making some progress. We had some invasive weeds, and they were taking over the rose bush and everything. So we had to pull everything and get it back to basically nothing and start fresh with some new plants that would hopefully be good ground cover and invade the weeds. Another plant expedition. These ones are some perennials that should help fill in those gaps and stop those weeds. This is a little footage from the plant shop, and these are all perennials. So we have everything almost done weeding, and when it's complete, we pulled up all of the stones that we had. There were some pavers in there, pulled them all up, laid down some cardboard, and then added some mulch and realigned the pavers. Another plant expedition, and these ones are some annuals that I'm putting in a basket. This old telephone pole is out back, so I decided to take advantage of that hollow pole and fill it with a basket and add some plants in there. I think the back garden is looking pretty darn good, and most of the weeds are gone. The roses were trimmed back, so now I'm doing sort of a DIY project. This was something I had put together on a Tuesday Talk one time from a Dollar Tree planter. And now I'm just taking an old enamel pot and I drilled a few holes in it and added a few chains and then put together this hanging basket with a hook that was already there. It has a solar light shining down and some crystals, and I think it's pretty darn cute. An old rocker that I had set outside last year with flowers in it is getting another coat of silk, which is a paint that has a sealer in it as well as a primer. I just want to make it a little more weather resistant. I know it's not going to last forever. Then on to a project that I started last year. I have this was a frame that I started out with, and then I glued a pot that I cut in half and sealed everything up, and then added layers after layers of mix to mold. And then I also add my lion in there. I want to add a pump in here and do a little fountain. So I've been working on it day after day. I spot a place where I can see daylight, so I work to make sure that that is sealed as well. I use some castings that I had made extra, and I try to integrate them into this frame and use the mix to mold and just kind of meld everything together so it looks like it's just ancient. I asked this little bird if he minded if I took his picture, and he didn't object. The peonies are coming out beautifully, and the work on the fountain continues. I planted the hibiscus in the front garden, and we got a little America banner for the front fence, so it looks really good with all the lights. This is a project that I wanted to complete, but I ended up doing another project instead. She's a little garden angel I made years ago, and I wanted to do another one. Instead, I opted to do a civic project, and I did this mural for a mural project in our downtown of Altoona, Pennsylvania. So the fountain project, it looks good, it holds water, but I couldn't get it to pump water. So the work will continue on that, and I will update you. I added glaze after I sealed it with water sealer. I just used Thompson's water seal because I had it. When this video airs, I'll be in Tennessee. And we did some thrifting along the way. Gee, I see a shutter. Maybe I can get it for my garden angel. Another project awaits when I get home. I'm going to incorporate this planter box into a fence. Here's a little picture of how that mural turned out. I do plan on doing a video on it as well, so watch for that. Make sure to watch all of the videos in this playlist. There's so many talented people, and I hope we do this garden collaboration again. Thanks so much, Dawn, and everybody that participated. Please make sure to check out their channels. Thanks so much for watching today. Like, subscribe, share, and hit that hype button. Also, head over to the Tuesday Talk channel. I'd love it if you subscribe there. And also visit me and my Flippin' Sisters on the Flippin' Bunch. Find Statement Designs on the web at www.statementdesigns.org and on social media as Statement Designs. Stay well.